Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present, sponsored by Iceland Air, the Icelandic Horse. The Icelandic horse is a very tough, hardy, good-natured horse, always forward-going and very comfortable ride. In fact, they will suit all age groups, from the smallest of children right through to the very mature adults. So easy to train, and wonderful temperaments. When you get an opportunity to go and visit their stand in the trade area, you'll also have a good opportunity to look at an Icelandic horse at close quarters. There are over 74,000 Icelandic horses in Iceland and around 190,000 in the world. However, whilst an Icelandic horse leaves Iceland, it never ever returns due to their very strict regulations. There are no other breeds of horses in Iceland whatsoever. And they don't allow any other breeds in, or any other horses in, to restrict any chances of disease. Look how still our riders are sitting, motionless. Well, I think some of them are getting a little bit hot out there now under those lights. It is a very, very warm evening in here this evening. What on earth are they doing? I think we've got some waiters over there. Pints of beer. Well, as I said, it is a very, very smooth ride. So much so, ladies and gentlemen, here they come with their pints of Icelandic lager and not spilling a drop. Cheers! Ladies and gentlemen, the Horse of the Year show are delighted to welcome to the international arena the world champion in tote, Johan Skulason and Schnapper. Watch the speed changes now as Johan is riding Schnapper. canter. Well, the pace is a famous fifth gate of the Icelandic horse. Now this is a very lateral movement with a moment of suspension where no legs touch the ground, called the flying pace. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, 30 miles per hour. Ponies love a noise, ladies and gentlemen, so please clap along to the music. Ladies and gentlemen, the Icelandic horses.